A set of molds is aligned vigorously. The big hoop stems keep coming down in pairs, neatly arranged. This is precast concrete. Concrete is indispensable in infrastructure. Main material consists of sand and gravel as well as cement and binder into water. A precast concrete products factory. Learn more about concrete water pipes for concrete wall block manufacturing. Remove acne with a load of sand. Production officially begins. First, you need to put the sand in the box. Inside the chamber, sand and aggregate are transported as an irreplaceable main material. As you can see from the picture, the size of the stones is very uniform. And gravel. This is also a high-quality material. Then the fine sand is also transferred to the box. After reaching a certain proportion, it will be to move forward. Start mixing. Let's go back to the factory. Workers are spraying mold release agent on molds. This is also for the later disassembly of concrete parts. The release agent will be mixed with water in a ratio of After the surface is fully covered with assembling the mold, the iron chain can make the mold structure more stable, preventing concrete spills. Just pull it down with a steel pipe. Can be firmly fixed. It can be said that this is a very clever way of reinforcement. Let's start preparing the hoop stems. It doesn't seem right. It also requires force to change the shape. The main purpose of gold plating is to improve the concrete stick line will be improved several times. Without steel bars in it, it is easy for the cement to collapse. Different molds. The finished part will also be different. For example, the mold in front of you is used to make cement pipes. The cement pipe is hollow, so you need to put a mold in the middle. The center mold is also sprayed with a release agent. Compared to the front, this water pipe is a little special. The tube is rectangular, so the estimated stem has only 3 size. Then we enter the pouring process. The mold is mobile. Fill one up and pour the next. It seems that the proportion of stones is higher than the content, the stronger they are. Does anyone know? The die moves slowly on a fully automated track. The pouring speed is also very fast. You also need to use a large spatula to smooth the surface. This step requires manual operation. After smoothing, it needs to be covered with rapid water loss. Each completed set of set of curing is to accelerate the hardening of concrete strength. The factory uses steam heating, and steam maintenance seems to be used more in winter. The main reason is that the material can reach strength in advance. Shock guide is in progress. Excess air can be expelled, similar to the principle of the vibrator, and more efficient. After all the concrete construction is completed, steam curing is faster than natural curing. It only takes about 13 小时 Maintenance hours can be completed. In the blink of an eye, rows of concrete were built. It seems to harden very well. Each one is so sturdy. Ready to start demolding. Sure enough, after adding the release agent, all kinds of concrete pieces are made. But it seems that there is still a little pockmarked surface. Uniformly placed in a fixed position, such a water pipe, it is estimated that it will not break in 10 or 8 years. Ready to start dismantling the hollow water pipe. Due to the heavier mold, can be disassembled by machine. At ease, not the slightest bit of blocking, except for the release agent. Oil can also be used as a mold release agent. The effect is basically the same. Smooth surfaces look beautiful. Rebar will be added to such a small water pipe. I can see that the material is sufficient. Ah. This water pipe started with 3 sides of gold-plated concrete pipe. This should be an open-air water pipe. After all the materials are disassembled, ready to be shipped to the warehouse for storage. Because concrete construction is not afraid of wind and sun, each one looks neat and consistent. This pile of concrete blocks seems more like a wall. The surface is uneven on one side, much like a wall. Various types of concrete water pipes. The above is the process of making jade concrete water pipes. No matter the size of the material, with solid acid. This not only enhances product service life. Every step is so delicate. The details are also handled properly. Fill a truck and ship it to the front. What do you think of this water pipe?